This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a usable shortcut. This is the only reliable way to pin a link to the taskbar. First, locate the file, folder, or web page URL you want to pin. Once found, right-click the item and choose Send to, then Desktop, Create Shortcut. If it is a web page, copy the URL and create a shortcut on the desktop by right-clicking the desktop, choosing New, then Shortcut, and pasting the URL. Make sure the shortcut works before moving on. You now convert the desktop shortcut into a taskbar-ready item. Open Properties for that shortcut and verify the target. If it's a URL, the target should start with the browser executable, then the URL in quotes. Change the icon so you can identify it quickly. Once adjusted, drag the shortcut to the taskbar area, but if Windows prevents dragging, move the shortcut into C. \users \your name \app data. You finish by pinning and testing. Right-click the adjusted shortcut and choose Pin to Taskbar. Alternatively, ensure the shortcut is in the User Pin Taskbar folder, then sign out and back in or restart Explorer. Click the new taskbar icon to confirm it opens the exact file, folder, or web page. If it does not, recheck the target path in quotes or restart Windows Explorer and try again. If pinning still fails, recreate the shortcut using the full browser executable path and URL, then repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.